everyone. Welcome back to our lesson. And as usual, let's start with writing down the date. So, today is Thursday, the 14th of May 2020. It is spring and it's nice and sunny. How about the weather at your place? Can you pause the video and write down the date, the season, and the weather at your place? Great! Today, we're going to continue talking about different transports. And let's start our lesson with the revision. Let's revise all the words that we learned during our previous lesson. So, what is this? Look at the picture. That's great. This is a plane. Wonderful. What about this picture? What is this? This is a very long word. This is a helicopter. Let's say it together. Helicopter. Wonderful. Let's revise some more words. What is this? That's right. This is a bus. How about this? What is this? This is a train. Wonderful. How about this picture? Look at the picture and tell me, what is this? That's right. This is a ship. Great. Let's go to the next slide and revise some more words. What is this? That's correct. This is a motorbike. And how about this? This is a bike. And look at this picture. What can you see? That's right. This is Mr. Cookie the Cook's orange car. Great. Now, let's revise some places, and I'm sure you know all of them. So, look at this. The word is mall. What is the mall? The mall is the place where you can find a lot of shops. How about the next word? Cinema. Not kinema. Cinema. Let's say it together. Cinema. Cinema. You can go to the cinema to watch a movie. Do you like going to the cinema? Me too. Let's look at the next word. School. Oh, I guess now it's our favorite place. School. Let's write some more places. And the next word is shop. You go to the shop to buy something, like food, clothes, and other things. And the next word is mountains. Do you like going to the mountains? Wow. And the next one, nice and warm, the word is beach. Let's look at the picture. Wonderful. Now, look at the picture. This is me. And this is my car. And this is the school. So, I go to school by car. So, here we have to, which means direction. It's the place where we are going. And we have by, which means transport. What do we use to get there? That's why we say, I go to school by bus. Now, I don't go to school by plane. That makes sense. Let's try to practice. So, Mr. David goes to the shop by bus. So, this is Mr. David, and he goes to the shop by bus. But he doesn't go to the shop by bike. Now, let's take the next example. These are cats, and they go to the beach by helicopter. So, these are cats, and they go to the beach by helicopter. But they don't go to the beach by car. It's too far for them. Oh, look, here we see Miss Yulia and Miss Clara. And Miss Yulia is asking,
How do you go to school?
and I will say,
I go to school by bus.
now pause the video and write, how do you go to school? Do you go to school by bus, by car, or by bike? Pause the video and write a sentence. Did you write it? Wonderful. And the next question from Miss Julia.
How do you go to the mall?
Do you remember what the mall is? That's right. The mall is the place with a lot of shops. So,
I go to the mall by car.
what about you? How do you go to the mall? Do you go to the mall by car? Write the sentence in your notebook. Wonderful. Now, the next question.
How do you go to the shop?
The shop is the place where we can buy different things.
And I go to the mall by motorbike.
How about you? How do you go to the mall? Write the sentence in your notebook. Wonderful. And the next question.
How do you go to the cinema?
Remember that cinema is the place where you can watch some videos, some movies.
I go to the cinema by bike.
How about you? Write the sentence in your notebook. The next question.
How do you go to the mountains?
Oh wow, this is a very interesting question.
I go to the mountains by plane.
How about you? Do you go to the mountains by plane or by train or maybe by car? Write the sentence in your notebook. Next question.
How do you go to the beach? I go by train.
I go to the beach by train. So, how about you? Write the sentence in your notebook. Now, if you understood everything, try to complete the activity in your workbook and send it to your teacher. If you still have some questions, you can send a message to your teacher and we will happily help you. This is all for today. Great job, everyone. Bye!